Well, good morning. Look what I picked up yesterday. I should have put one of these in when I built the van, but I didn't. Picked this up at Harbor Freight for $39 and change. It's a little bit marked down. I was just in Lowe's and they had the battery tender 4 amp charger and it was for $57 and change. I did look up reviews on this and they had good reviews, so I was like, let me try it. Might never need it, but I'll have it if I do need it. So last night I came in after it was dark, disconnected the solar and the positive from the solar panels and the positive from the batteries, so I wouldn't have anything pulling any power. Got in here and hooked up the cables to the power, to the battery, and it has this little plug on it. And this thing, it's not very big, my whole hand covers it. It has where you can plug it in. And the other end of the unit has the 110 plug. I have ordered a pass-through 110 plug for the outside of the van. So as soon as that gets here, I'll install that and then hook this to it. And it also has battery clippies if you just want to clip it, if you want to use the clippies. But I hardwired it to the batteries. So I'm going to mount this right on this wall right here. And how I'm going to do that is, I got a couple brackets, so the brackets will go against the wall. Put some Velcro up top and on the unit, and so this will mainly support the weight of it. I got 2 of them, and then I got this spoolie Velcro stuff that you wrap it. One side's sticky and one side's fuzzy, so you can wrap it around things. And see that. And then I'll wrap that around the top of it. And well, first I'll staple it to the, make sure I got the length I need. And I'll staple it to the wall really good. And then I can put the unit in there and wrap this around the top. So I got my Velcro, scissors, last of my E6000 glue. Oh, and I also picked up some more of these little battery operated dewdroppers. Right. Because I need one in this cabinet. It's really dark in there, so I'm going to put one over here on this side. And then I got some spots picked out for the others. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, I'll update you as I go. Well, there it is, all mounted. I did plug it up and check it to make sure it was set where I needed it to be set on the 12 volt AGM, and it was already set on that. So it's all ready. If I need it, just gotta plug it up. And then I'll show that external plug when I get it and putting it in. Alright, that's it for now. Alright, in the middle of installing this plug on the outside of the van. I got this one because it's white, so it's blend in good. Look at that. Got a hole in the wall right near everything. I'm filming. And there's the hole. Just drilled the hole, put some paint on it. I was waiting for the paint to dry. And then we'll fit it in there. And then if I need power, I can plug in without having to go through a door or something. There it is. All installed. There it is. Just letting for the sealant to dry up some. Good to go. Alright, bye. Alright, I got this put back together. Got my wire nice and protected there with some foam through the wall. And it goes to there, which goes to this small surge protector. And the battery charger is plugged into it. So I'll be good to go for that. Oh, and it might be a good idea to pick up one of these bad boys and just test the circuit of where you want to plug in. Make sure it's good to go. Just plug it in, check your lights, and that's it. If it ain't good, don't use it. Okay, and then I got a couple extension cords right there. Alright, that's it for now. Well, it's about, I don't know, 3:45 in the morning. And I spent the night in here, and that was on 12/6 when I got up. So I plugged in and test this thing out. Anyway, it said on 12 volt AGM, and it's charging. See, I got my little light in there. Let's go around here. Yeah, see? Plugged up in the garage. Goes in the garage. Plugged up right there to the to this. Yeah, them staples didn't work. Didn't want to work for me at first, so I was trying to figure plugging stuff in and out, and it just came on. I pushed the mode button and it came on. So maybe that's what I got to do. I don't know. Oh, I'll try it again probably tomorrow night. That's what you got to do with this stuff. You got to test it out and make sure it works. So it's charging right now. It's charging. We'll see how long it takes to get up to 100%. So if this is something you want to do, go for it. It wasn't that difficult. I just needed access to the exterior wall and a hole saw and some sealant. And you can put a plug in. Alright, this is it for this video.